What do you do if you need more monitors? This is my desk. Here you can see my laptop's on screen and above it an extra monitor. But I want more, then either I buy more monitors like this, or I can solve it differently. For example, like this. And now I have 3 monitors. Here I can check the euro exchange rate, watch a video, and here I can see the weather. I can use the mouse in the same way as with physical monitors. I can drag things from one screen to another, and if I want to watch a video on a big screen, then I can do that. In this large size too. Or even larger, I can create a gigantic cinema screen for myself. But what happens if I want to leave the room? I don't want to work here all day. Do I leave these big monitors here? No. I take them with me. I can even use the computer from the terrace. Or you can even watch a movie here on the full-size cinema screen. If you're curious about how this can be done, then watch my next video. I'll see you at the beginning of May.